Hello friends, this is Anand Saran Sahu welcoming you all to MKD Education. So you have studied already chapter 2, that is equilibrium, and under this chapter you have studied principle of equilibrium, condition of equilibrium, and relating to equilibrium Lami's theorem, which states about the equilibrium of three forces. If three forces are in equilibrium, each force proportional to the sine of angle between the other two. You have studied all these things and you have proved that Lami's theorem also, and some examples also you have covered. Now we are coming to the question answer discussion part. So let's start. So this is question answer discussion session, that is for chapter 2 equilibrium. Friends, before going to discuss the questions, we should know about equilibrium. Already though you have studied in chapter 2 class, still equilibrium is the system or state of system when the total forces and total moments acting on the system is zero, right? And important is here Lami's theorem. Already I have told what is Lami's theorem, and based upon this Lami's theorem, number of questions are there you have to solve, right? So very important is this equilibrium chapter as far as problem is concerned. Examination रे बहुत सारा क्वेश्चंस आसीबो जोड़ा कि बहुत इंपोर्टेंट तुमको करियो पड़िबो, थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट लगेगा, but you should be clear about what are the problems and how to solve all the questions. So now we will start for question number 1, right? So friends, this is question number 1. Here a roller 400 mm diameter, weighing 400 Newton. So this is the roller and weight is 400 Newton. Diameter of the roller is 400 mm, मतलब radius 200 mm, is to be subjected to pivoting motion about an edge A. This is the edge A. So about this edge, the roller tends to turn by application of horizontal force P. This is the force P. Determine the magnitude of horizontal force P passing through the center of the sphere or center of the roller and corresponding reaction at point A. So here at C point there will be no reaction, because when the roller starts to move, there will be no contact between the roller and the at point C with the ground. That's why there will be no reaction. So only reaction will come at point A. So this RA, W and P will have three forces only. So now come to this part, it will be very clear. If you see, this is 47.5. So here we will find OB, which is equal to OC minus BC, and OC of course the radius, that is 200 minus BC is 47.5. So this comes to how much? 152.5 mm. So now in this right angle triangle OAB, B is the right angle. So in OAB triangle, right angle triangle, you see cos theta equal to 152 by 200. मतलब cos theta B by S. So B base means this is OB, that is 152.5 divided by OA 200. So theta comes 40.31. We will have three forces W, P and RA. See RA, and this is W, that is 400 Newton, and P. So by applying Lami's theorem, we will have RA divided by this angle, that is 90 degrees. So RA by sin 90 equal to P. P by this is 139.69, because this angle this is 40.31, so 90 total is 180 minus 40.39, this is 139, so sin 139.69 equal to 400 divided by this angle, so 400 by sin 130.31. So after solving you will get RA equal to 524.55 Newton and P equal to 339.34 Newton. So now come to the next question, that is question number 2. So this is question number 2. A cord supported at A and B carries a load of 10 kN at D and load W at C. See this is the thread A, B, C, D. This is the thread which is tied at point A and at point B, and it carries two loads 10 kilonewton at D, W at point C. You can see, and we have to find the value of W so that this CD portion remain horizontal. Now we will start. There are 2 points at C and at D. So we will start from the point where the minimum number of forces are there. If you consider point D, you will have how many forces? You see CD, BD, 10 kilonewton, and again you see here though there are 3 forces here, 10, CD and BD, but 10 kilonewton is known, so we will have only 2 unknowns. But at point C, force along AC, that is tension along CA or AC, and along CD and W, तीनों unknown है. So better if you start from point D. So first you will consider free body diagram at point D. You see the tension coming along DB, you can write TDB, and 10 kilonewton acting vertically downward weight or this load, and this is the tension in the portion DC, TDC. So these are the 3 forces, and applying Lami's theorem. How do you apply Lami's theorem? TDC, if you consider this force, then this angle you have to consider. This is 120 degrees. So by sin 120 equal to TDB by this angle, that is 90, or sin 90 equal to 10 by sin 150. So if you solve, you will get TDC equal to 17.32 kilonewton, TDB equal to 20 kilonewton. So our requirement is to find the value of W. That's why you should know any of the force from these 3 forces, that is T, CA, TCD and W. So TCD now we can find, because TDC is nothing but equal to TCD, only magnitude part same. That's why TCD equal to also 17.32. Now if you come to point C, you will have again 3 forces, TCA this one, TCD this one, again W, right? And the angles are already here. It is 60 degree. So मतलब this total will be 120 degree. ये 120 degree हो जाएगा, ठीक है, और ये 150, क्योंकि ये देखो ये भी 60 डिग्री होगा, तो टोटल 90 प्लस 60 हो गया 150. अगेन अप्लाई Lami's theorem. So TCA by opposite angle 90, TCA by sin 90 equal to W by the opposite angle 120. So W by sin 120 equal to, you see, you know, TCD is 17.32, which is here, divided by opposite angle is 150. So sin 150. So by solving we can find TCA is 34.64 and W is 29.99 kilonewton. So now come to the next question. A ball is supported on a smooth wall by tying a rod as in the figure. Find the tension in the tie rod and support of the wall. Take radius of the ball 5 cm, length of the rod 13 cm, weight 120. So friends, you see this is the ball. It is supported by means of a tie rod. This is AB is the tie rod. It is hanged from point B, and this is the point of support C. That's why a reaction comes RC, which is perpendicular to the wall. Now weight, you know, 120 Newton. Friends, this is, you know, as this is a tie rod, obviously tension will come. How it will come? Along AB. So this is TAB, you can write. So now we will have again 3 forces, RC, TAB and 120. See, RC, TAB and 120 Newton force. Now 3 forces, system is in equilibrium, so we can apply Lami's theorem. So first if you take RC force, RC by the sine of opposite angle, other 2 forces, जो एंगल है वो है 157.38. सो पुट 157.38 इक्वल टू TAB होगा, तो ये एंगल लिया जाएगा, सो 90, TAB by sin 90 इक्वल टू 120 डिवाइडेड बाय दिस एंगल 112.62. So after solving you will get RC equal to 50 Newton and TAB equal to 130 Newton. So now come to the next question. A right circular roller of weight 1000 Newton. So this is the roller and weight is 1000 Newton. Rests on a smooth horizontal plane and is held in position by an inclined bar AC. So this is the bar, inclined bar AC. So now question number 4. A right circular roller of weight 1000 Newton rests on a smooth horizontal plane and is held in position by an inclined bar AC. So this is the bar AC, inclined bar AC. As shown in figure. Find the tension in the bar AC. मतलब ये AC में रॉड में कितना टेंशन आएगा वो निकालना चाहिए हमको. And vertical reaction at B. See this is the point of support. So obviously a reaction will come vertically, that is perpendicular to the horizontal surface. If there is also a horizontal force of 500 Newton, 500 Newton is a horizontal force acting at point C. So these are the forces RB, TCA 1000 Newton, 500 Newton. Now come to this part, you will be getting cleared about what are the component of these forces. Now this is TCA, it is acting along this direction, so the two components will be like this. As this is 20 degree, obviously this will be 20 degree, right? So this is TCA cos 20 and this is TCA sin 20, right? So TCA का दोनों component हुआ TCA cos 20, TCA sin 20, right? Now we will have total another force is there also at point B, that is your reaction, which is acting vertically upward. So friends, it will be not clear, but you should know this is RB is acting vertically upward, whereas TCA sin 20 is acting downward. So now come to this. See, so now the forces are RB, which is acting vertically upward. So the downward force is weight, that is 1000 Newton, and TCA का vertical component TCA sin 20 and horizontal direction में TCA cos 20 and 500 Newton is the applied force. Now friends, for equilibrium you know total forces in whole is 0. So now total x0 also total y0. So total x0 मतलब TCA cos 20 equal to 500 और 500 minus TCA cos 20 equal to 0. मतलब TCA आ गया 532.08 after calculation. Now similarly total y0 मतलब RB minus this 2 equal to 0. So after calculation you will get RB equal to 1181.98 Newton. So now come to question number 5. A weightless beam BCD, this is the beam BCD, is held with the help of a tie rod AC. So this is the tie rod AC. Determine the reaction at B. So this is the point B. So this is hinge point. So we have to find the reaction at this point B and tension in this tie rod AC. So first of all we have to find the angle, this angle. How do you find? You know this distance is 2.3 meter, this distance is 2.1 meter. So in this triangle, this B is right angle triangle, this is right angle triangle. So in triangle ABC, tan theta equal to P by B, you know 2.3 divided by 2.1. So theta comes 47.6. Now for equilibrium we know total forces along x direction equal to 0. So now we have TCA का दोनों component आएगा. TCA one will be TCA cos theta, which will be acting towards left, ऐसे, and another horizontal force is RBH, which is acting towards right. So RBH is positive, RBH minus TCA sin theta equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now total forces along y direction is 0. So y direction में TCA sin theta है और RB भी है and 2 kilonewton is the applied force. So TCA sin theta vertically upward positive plus RBV positive, दोनों ऐड हो गया, -2 equal to 0. Again for equilibrium total moment also 0. So now let us take moment about B. We know RBH and RBV and TCA cos theta, तीनों का मोमेंट नहीं होगा B पॉइंट में, क्योंकि B पॉइंट में वो पास करता है. तो मोमेंट आएगा TCA sin theta का और 2 का. So 2 का मोमेंट कितना होगा? 2 into perpendicular distance. This distance is now 2.1 plus 2.3. So 2 into 2.1 plus 2.3 minus TCA sin theta into the distance is 2.1. So into 2.1. TCA sin 47.6 already theta is there. So now TCA comes 5.674 kilonewton. Now if we put this TCA value in equation 1, we will get RBH. So RBH we will find 4.19 kilonewton. This TCA is TCA का value this is. Now TCA value 47.6 TCA का value already है. तो आरबी भी मिल गया -2.189 किलो न्यूटन. So now we have already found the reaction at point B, that is horizontal component and vertical component. If you want to find RB, then RBH square plus RBV square root over. And TCA already we have found 5.674 kilo Newton. Now come to question number 6. The system shown in the figure is in equilibrium if Q equal to 10 Newton. So this is a load which is applied through a pulley. This is another load P. Q equal to 10 Newton. Find the magnitude of weight. So under equilibrium, what is the magnitude of this P we have to find. Now you can see this is a string. So the load P is attached here. It is tied at this point. So now tension in this part and this P force. Now here there are three forces, and if you consider this portion, the tension in this portion is nothing but equal to this Q, which is 10 Newton. Now if you apply Lami's theorem at this point, we have the tension in this portion T, and this is already we got 10 Newton because this tension equal to load 10 Newton and P is to be found out. So this angle we know 45 plus this is 60, so total हो गया 105. Now this is 135, 120 कैसे, ये है आपका 30 डिग्री, ये 90 प्लस 30 120 हो गया और रिमेनिंग रहा 135. सो अप्लाइंग Lami's theorem, P divided by the opposite angle sin 120 equal to P divided by the opposite angle 105 equal to 10 divided by opposite angle sin of opposite angle, that is sin 135. So this is the Lami's theorem, and by solving we get T equal to 12.24 Newton and P equal to 13.66 Newton. So now we have discussed 6 number of questions for chapter 2. I think all of you should understand, and if any doubt please ask. Thank you.